Today, I'm going to show you how to create multiple consistent characters using just one reference image in VO3's frame-to-video workflow. Let's dive right in. First off, big shout out to Martin Nebelon, the first person I saw introduce this clever method. We'll start by going to Google Flow, but you can also use other platforms that support VO3 frame-to-video, like Freepik or Higgsfield. In Google Flow, we'll generate a single image to use as our reference. For this first image, make sure to use a longer, detailed prompt. Include distinctive character features, like hairstyle, eye colors, and the clothing of your choice. This is crucial, because this one image will carry the entire consistency across your video scenes. You can upload your own image generated elsewhere, or you can create one right here, powered by Imagen 4. I'll use this one. The key is to add jump cut to in the beginning of every prompt. The video will begin with the static image for less than a second, then cut to a different scene. Alternatively, we can write, use the image as the character's reference, create a video of. We can easily trim away the first second with a basic video editing tool. You can choose which model and how many output you want. For a simple scene, I'll use VO3 Fast, since it costs less credit. Now let's begin with a simple scene. Jump cut to a restaurant where the three people are having lunch. Pretty close, right? Now let's try a different setting. Jump cut to a busy sidewalk where the three people are walking and having casual conversation.
So then I told him, you have to see it to believe it.
No way, what did he say?
That's amazing. You'll notice how the characters are consistent even though we didn't redescript them in detail. That's because VO3 uses the reference image as a strong anchor for continuity. Let's test how well VO3 can isolate characters. For example, jump cut to the Chinese woman driving a car by herself through the city while talking on the phone about work stuff.
Yes, I've reviewed the quarterly reports, and the figures are looking promising for this fiscal period.
Not too bad. Let's take it further with a cinematic shot. Jump cut to the close-up of the black man, his face worried and mumbles something. A loud bang in the background. The camera then pans right to reveal the Chinese woman and the white woman sitting at the sofa. The Chinese woman asks, "What is it?" Then the white woman says, "Yeah, I heard that too." They're inside a condo living room with large windows overlooking a stormy sky. Now let's use VO3 quality for this one.
What's going on?
What is it? Yeah, I heard that too.
Even the characters' voices are almost the same. You'll notice in this version, the black man starts talking just before the cut. To fix this, try tweaking the prompt by adding the character pauses for second. Let's look at another example. Jump cut to the Chinese woman and the white woman at a contemporary coffee shop. The Chinese woman pauses a second, then says frustratingly, "That guy is so creepy." The white woman replies, "Yes, he sure is."
That guy is so creepy.
Yes, he sure is.
What if we want to change the character's hairstyle or clothing? I'll type in the prompt. Let's see. That looks like a different person. Okay, why don't we try a group of people? Jump cut to the 6 people having dinner in a large living room. Remember to set how many output you want.
This is absolutely delicious.
I agree. The roast is cooked perfectly.
And this wine pairs wonderfully with it.
Yeah.
Let's see the second output.
So I told him that's not how it works.
You're kidding me.
No, seriously. C. Pass
Looks like the
salad,
first
please.
one is pretty consistent. By using just one well-crafted image and a few smart prompts, you can create cinematic, consistent character-driven scenes with VO3. No need to describe everything and detailed every time. Although not 100% truly consistent, this method is fast, efficient, and perfect for storytelling, concept testing, or short films. Give it a try and let me know what you create. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment. Thanks for watching.